GitHub's CTO published a public apology. The same morning, GitHub published a second post, a critical security vulnerability where pushing code could execute commands on GitHub's own servers. Same morning, 2 posts, 1 website, 100 million developers. And the week before that was already a disaster. On April 23rd, GitHub quietly unmerged 292 pull requests across 658 repositories. That means the platform whose entire job is to not lose your code, lost your code. Then on April 27th, a botnet took down GitHub's search for hours. Then came the double post morning, and buried inside the CTO's apology was the admission that explains everything. Stay with me, because that explanation lands in about 2 minutes, and it changes how you think about where the internet is heading. First, how bad has it actually gotten? Third-party monitoring shows GitHub uptime in April 2026 tracking around 86%. For context, Amazon S3, a storage service, promises 99.9999999% uptime. GitHub is running at barely 1.9. The official GitHub status page, meanwhile, reports everything above 99%. So you have 100 million developers watching their workflows break while the status page says green. That tension is exactly what finally broke Mitchell Hashimoto. He's the creator of Vagrant and Terraform, tools used by millions of engineers worldwide. He joined GitHub in 2008 as user number 1299 and has logged in almost every single day for 18 years. On April 28th, he published a breakup letter, reportedly in tears while writing it. He said GitHub doesn't want him to ship software. He kept a journal for a month, marking an X on every day a GitHub outage blocked his work. Almost every day got an X. His 50,000-star project Ghosty is leaving the platform for good. When someone who has been on GitHub since the beginning, user 1299, publicly walks out, that is not a complaint, that is a verdict. Now here's the part the CTO's apology actually admitted. Since 2025, agentic development workflows have accelerated sharply. That's the corporate way of saying AI agents are hammering GitHub like it's an all-you-can-eat buffet and nobody expanded the kitchen. GitHub isn't just hosting developers anymore. It's hosting the AI systems that are being built to replace them. And those systems make requests at a scale no human team ever did. The infrastructure was not built for this, and now it's visibly breaking under the weight of the thing it helped create. Microsoft bought GitHub for $7.5 billion in 2018. In the years after the acquisition, the platform genuinely improved. Actions, code spaces, Copilot. But now the pressure from agentic AI is exposing something deeper. A platform that was designed for humans is being asked to serve machines. And the machines don't sleep, don't rate limit themselves, and don't care if your status page says green. If you're wondering whether to stay or leave, the alternatives exist. GitLab is reliable and full-featured. Codeberg is a German nonprofit with no AI features and a strong commitment to open source. SourceHut is minimal, fast, and deliberately bare bones. The migration path isn't as painful as it used to be. But here is the real question this story leaves you with. GitHub's reliability problems started accelerating when AI agents started treating it as infrastructure, not as a developer tool. So is this a Microsoft failure to scale a product it bought? Or is this just what happens to every platform when AI agents arrive, and GitHub is simply the first major one to crack under the pressure?